Hello, my name is Vickie-Marie and I'm going to be taking you through a very brief yoga stretch, full body flow. So when you're ready, we're going to begin to come into your easy seated position. And that's going to look different for all of us. Some of us might have our legs out, some of us might have the legs staggered or a traditional cross-legged approach. Wherever we are, beginning to roll the shoulder blades up towards the ears and then down the back. We'll do that one more time, taking the shoulders up and down. Chin's parallel with the earth. And just taking a round or two of breath here. Imagine the crown of the head shining up towards the sky. And on our next breath, we'll begin to take the arms up overhead. Gaze may follow. And then we'll begin to take the arms out. And when you're ready, we'll begin to take our left arm across the body as I face you, I'm aspiring to mirror. So this left arm is going to be at a diagonal to begin with. And then when you're ready, begin to take it over towards the right. So we're twisting at the navel rather than just the heart. Gaze may follow. Just beginning to release, taking the arms out, flipping the palms, taking the arms up towards the sky. Exhaling, releasing. And we'll casually take this on the other side, taking that right arm at a diagonal, left hand along the arm of the wrist, and then beginning to gently twist. And gently beginning to release, flipping the palms, taking the arms up. And we'll begin to take a gentle twist, so that right hand's coming onto that left knee or thigh. And casually taking the left hand out towards the side and then side stretch. This right hand might travel, might stay exactly where it is. Releasing that left hand, taking a side stretch, right arm going up. And gentle pulse maybe coming onto the forearm. Arms are going up, and then we'll take a gentle twist. Other side. Beginning to take that right hand out towards the side, your cross-body side stretch. And then gently releasing. And gently begin to release that left hand. I'm just going to invite you to begin to take the legs in front, taking a butterfly or cobbler pose. So bring the soles of the feet together. If you want to stretch more the inside of the legs, the heels will come a little bit closer. If you want more of an outer hip stretch, taking the legs closer to the screen. Wherever you are, inhaling, lengthening, and then we're just going to begin to circle at the waist. And again, we might go in both directions, starting off small and then going a bit more grand. Begin to find some length in the spine. We'll casually begin to cross the hands. We're going to take a twist. So this left hand's going to stay along the right leg, maybe near the ankle, maybe along the shin. Right hand's going to go out towards the side, arms about shoulder height or less. Maybe we begin to travel towards the back of the room, depending on our space. And we'll casually begin to bring that right hand back towards the left leg, tucking the chin in, rounding the spine. I'm beginning to come into a cow-like pose, lifting the gaze, lengthening the neck. Back through central. And then we'll take this on the other side. Again, left arm, shoulder height or less. And back. Tucking the chin in, rounding the spine, pressing the pinky edges of the feet together if they're in contact. And then rolling forward to your cow. And back through center. Now you can repeat that foundational twist if you'd like. If you want to take it a bit further, that invitation of taking the left hand to the outside of that right foot, you might lift. You might also decide to extend, so the sole of the foot's coming forward. Right hand can go out or towards the back, maybe towards the earth. We'll exhale, coming back through, releasing the foot if we've lifted. Again, your choice, simply taking that foundation, we're beginning to lift or extend that left leg. And coming back through center. We've got one more round. Your choice of whether foundation or beginning to extend. And back through. We'll begin to uncross the hands, circling again at the waist. And what we'll begin to do is find some length, shoulders casually coming over the hips. And then we'll begin to take the knees towards each other, soles of the feet to the earth. And then we'll begin to extend. I'm just going to change my profile. So you're going to begin to take the legs out in front, soles of the feet shining, toes up towards the sky. And then we'll casually begin to bend this left knee. Now, some of us might stay right here. Otherwise, you might begin to take that right hand to the outside of the left knee, hand coming behind. You want to take it a bit further, elbow, maybe taking mudra, index finger to thumb. We'll begin to come back through center. Fingertips are interlacing the hands underneath the sole of the foot. We can stay here. Maybe we begin to lift. Maybe we begin to extend, ensuring we don't cave in if we're extending. I'm beginning to release that right foot down. We're going to come into a forward fold. As we begin to release, and then we'll begin to bend our right knee. We're going to take this all on the other side. So left fingertips coming to the outside of the knee, maybe the elbow. Making sure that left foot, the toes are still flexed rather than flopping to the side. And we'll begin to release the twist. Hands coming, fingertips are interlacing the hands. The invitation of taking the awkward hold, so the other pinky on the bottom. And we can stay here again. You might tap, you might begin to extend. Casually beginning to release the left heel down, coming into your fold. We'll begin to gently release. So we're going to begin to bend the knees, taking the hands behind you. We're going to take a reverse table. Now for some of us, we might stay right here. Others might begin to lift the sit bones or begin to come into the full expression. Chins towards the chest rather than the sky. Knees are coming forward rather than knocking towards each other or opening up. Exhaling, begin to release the sit bones down. And we'll begin to come back into your easy seated position. As you begin to arrive, taking the arms up overhead. We'll finish with one more twist. Right hand coming onto that left thigh, hand behind. Arms going up. And then releasing, twisting. And then beginning to release the hands into your lap. Casually taking the hands together, bowing the head to the hands in gratitude for investing in your well-being in your practice. And thank you for taking this full body yoga flow with me today. Please hit like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.